Farm manager role is one complaint that I've been getting recently, and I said, let me bring it to the channel. Let us discuss. I have a point that I want to make, but let me know if you're facing any challenges regarding a farm manager in the comment section. Also, let me know what you want me to discuss when it comes to farm manager in the comment section. If you have any input as a farm manager, or you have a question to ask me as a farm manager, please also leave it in the comment section, and I am going to address it. So this video is for farm manager. How you can work less and achieve more as a farm manager is what I want to discuss today. So if you're interested in today's video, please subscribe to the channel, smash the like button. Also, if you've not joined our Telegram group, our Farmy community, please join. The link is below. Also, if you've not joined the agriculture business class, let's say you want to go into farming, agribusiness, storage, I don't know the aspects you want to go into, you can join the agriculture business class by registering below. This is for farm managers. If you need planting calendar that will guide you on how you can go about routine your daily schedule on the farm, grab the planting calendar. The link is below as well. Okay, without wasting our time, let's dive into today's video. The first way to achieve more while working less as a farm manager is to cultivate or go into aspects of farming that you're very conversant with. Don't do crop when you know you are good with livestock. All of them are not the same aspect of farming. There's a comment I heard recently, and that's what prompted me to do this video. The person said, farming is farming. That if he knows crop, then he can navigate animal. And I gave him an example. I told him, I said, I am into dog breeding. I have done a bit of goat farming. I have done a bit of poultry. But if you say, Julie, come and manage my goat farm, I will tell you I cannot manage it because that is not my niche, right? But I'm into dog breeding. I treat dogs, I breed dogs, I do everything. What you need to understand is that different animals have different techniques to manage, okay? So only operate within what you know, what you understand. And when it comes to livestock, livestocks are very delicate. It's not something that you will come and you will gamble with. Do you understand? So work with only animal or crop that you are comfortable with. Let me tell you something about farm owners. Farm owners, if they've read online, they will come and frustrate you. I'm a farm owner too, so I'm talking to everybody. They will come and frustrate you. They will tell you they want to do cucumber, they want to do cassava, they want to do maize, they want to do agbado, they want to do this one, they want to do this one. It's your work as a farm manager to tell them that, Madam, Oga, this is what I can cultivate. It's only cucumber. I know. They will tell you, don't worry, I will increase your salary. The minute you agree for them to increase your salary and you don't bring results for them, you're in trouble. That is how they operate. Yes, in fact, that is how we operate because I'm part of them. I'm also a farm manager, I'm also a farm owner. So I know how we operate. Only cultivate what you know you can deliver. Don't agree to what you can. Once they are telling you, Farmy Julie said, you tell them that one is Farmy Julie. This is what you can bring results out of. For them, madam, do you want us to cultivate it and will not make money? Or God, do you want us to cultivate? By the time you are telling them, and you are standing that you cannot cultivate it, leave it. I made mistakes 2 years ago, or was it last year? I will not say mistake, but because I was not available as the person in charge of the farm, I will not say farm manager because I told them I'm not your farm manager. When it comes to maize, armyworm attacked 3 maize farm. I shared it here. 3 maize farm that I managed last year, and they attacked it because I was not on ground to oversee it. As soon as I was on ground, maybe armyworm won't have happened. The person on ground could not manage armyworm, even when we tried, because he was speaking to me, Jimmy, let us use a chemical before the armyworm. I said, go ahead. But at the end of the day, because I was not, by the time I came back, I could not control it, and armyworm was taking over and could not make profits from that maize farm. But as soon as I insisted on, and I told as soon as I told the farm owner that, sir, ma, don't let us do maize because I will not be available. Maybe that won't have happened. So as a farm manager, you need to only do what you are conversant with. Okay. Another way to achieve more while working less is have a routine for the workers that you're managing. Yes, as a farm owner, have a schedule that you give to your farm manager. Your farm manager will work with the schedule with the farm workers. Now, as a farm manager, have daily schedule, have weekly routine, and have monthly routine. So have when to plant, when to apply manure, once you have all these things listed out, it will help your work easy. So let's say you know you are cultivating cucumber. Okay, you get a book, you get a calendar, you get anything, you write cucumber. Day one of cucumber, we are planting. Day 2, we are doing this. Day 3, we are doing. So once you've just a day to do that. When you just come to farm to this, farm workers, today we are planting. Oh yeah, let's start planting. By tomorrow we'll do this. Let's start doing this. Maybe I'm going to take my time to draft out for the crops, and I don't want to do it for crops that I don't know because I don't want to pick answers online because most of those answers online may not be right. Maybe I'll just do for a few crops that I know. Day 1, this is what you do. Day 2, this is what you do. And I'll create the templates for you people. Let me know if you'll be interested in that template and let me know the crops you want me to do the templates for. If I don't know them, I'm going to meet with my other farmers friend that cultivates and we are going to come together to draft it out. So let me know the crop you're interested in and also if it's something that you're interested to purchase. Okay. Have a daily routine, have a weekly routine, and have a monthly routine. Like I said, I'm going to try to draft it out so that it's easy for you to just follow the template that I give to you. Okay. Doing this will save you more time and even it will save you from headache because if you don't plan it, the day you will not start checking, was it not 3 days ago we cultivated? Abi, should we you're already confused. Okay. And finally, like this video is short. And finally, only cultivate the land size that you know you can successfully manage. I will come back to we farm owners too. We farm owners, if we've read things online, especially all these our mommy and daddy farm owners, if they've read things online, they'll come and tell you, it's 10 acres I bought, it's 10 acres I want to cultivate. Tell them, sir, my it's only 2 acres I can manage. I can successfully bring out results from. Don't mind, they will listen to you. By the time you say no, 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 they will listen to you. And also, I think this is the problem. Give farm owners give room for your farm manager to be able to advise you a bit. Yes, the fact that you have a consultant, the fact that you have someone that the farm manager is the person on field. He's the one that will be able to handle whatever you are bringing. So give him room to share his idea. Give him room to tell you, oh man, no, I cannot do this one. And when they tell you they cannot do, don't look at them as incompetent. It's because they know their capacity. They know what they can carry. It's better you cultivate short land size and make your profit than cultivate large land size and at the end of the day you end up seeing nothing. Okay, this is for farm owners. For farm managers, only cultivate the land size that you can successfully manage. Also, work on your workers. If you're a lazy farm manager, it's going to show on your workers. So don't blame your workers, blame your farm manager as a farm owner. Okay, these are little things that you can put in your farming business, in your farming operations that will save you more time, that will save you more, and you will achieve more without even stressing yourself. Okay, I hope you got value. If I forgot anyone, please let me know in the comment section as we are all open to learn new. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'm going to see you in the next video.